This is Mishu the Chandu and welcome to my channel Learner Sector. So in this playlist we are trying to cover Python series for beginner to advanced, and we also do 3 projects. In GUI there will be 2, Tkinter and PyK85, and in 3.1 is the Django, the REST framework. We also try to make a website. And now we are trying to install Python in our system. So let's go set my computer.
Now I come inside my computer. So now we are trying to install Python in our system. So let's open your favorite browser. So in my case is Firefox. So here you go. So here's the Firefox. So type here Python. So it's open your Python website, and this will be official. Okay. So you can see welcome to python.org. So let's click on it. So it will open. It takes some time. Actually it's depend on your internet connection. Okay, so here you can see the python.org browser, not a browser, actually it's a website. Okay, so now we'll simply click on Python 3.8.5. it is the latest version of Python. I use 2 versions of Python in my laptop. Okay, so let's click on it. So you can see a cool pop-up window here. So Python 3.8.5.exe for executable file. I already installed it in my system. Okay, I mean download it in my system. So I simply click on cancel. Okay, so let's go here where download. So here is the Python 3.8.5.8.5 version. Okay, for 64-bit. Simply click on here and it will be installed. Okay, so you can say, do you want to run this file? So simply click on run. So let's minimize it. Okay, so here you can see install now and a custom installation. So let's click on simply here add to the path of 3.8.5. so simply click on custom installation and click on next. Okay, and you have to choose a path where you are wanted to install in Python. So you have to simply click on install. But in my case I need not to install it again. Okay, I install it two Python version, one is 3.6 and another one is 3.7. Okay, so simply click on cancel. Okay, yes. So but in our tutorial we are trying to use Anaconda, I mean Jupyter notebook. So here you go. So first try to look the Python 7.4 version here. Okay, you can also use Python 3.7.4 version also. Okay, but for latest version you also use 3.8. Okay, so simply here Python. Okay, and I think you can see Python 3.7. simply click on this. Okay, so it will open a Python terminal in your screen. Okay, so here also can see here Python version 3.7.4. so it is the Python version of me. Okay, I downloaded in July 8 2019. Okay, so simply click on cancel. So in our tutorial we are trying to use Jupyter notebook. So now you have to download Anaconda. So Anaconda IDE. Okay, again I think had some spelling mistake. Okay, Anaconda IDE. Okay, and try to reload it. Okay, and here we see individual edition for Anaconda. Okay, so when you download this, okay, let me take some time for reloading. So you simply click on download. We are going to use this one, and when you download Anaconda you can find some folder of the Anaconda. Okay, so you can see Anaconda 3 for 64-bit. Okay, so here you can see let's scroll it, 4 folder here: Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda Prompt, and Jupyter Notebook, and Research, Spider Study, and Spider. You can also create environment using Anaconda Navigator, and also install some packages using the Anaconda Prompt. Okay, and Jupyter Notebook is actually grid, we are trying to use this here, and you also use spider. But in my case, I like Jupyter because you for next some playlist we are trying to make videos for data science and machine learning, so it will help you. Okay, so now we go to our directory where we are going to create our program files. Okay, so let's copy it here and open our anaconda prompt. So type anaconda prompt. Okay, actually it's not a snack. So simply click on here anaconda prompt and it will open a cold terminal. It takes some time. Okay, so here you can see a cold terminal is pop up in our screen. Okay, so now we have to put our directory name, drive name here. So in my case, I am trying to save the file in E drive. Okay, so now I simply type here E dot, and I come inside my E drive. So simply type here cd for since directory and simply pass the path here, and now I come this folder, this folder. Okay, so now we are trying to open Jupyter notebook. Yes, the Jupyter notebook, it's open in your localhost, your browser. So in my case is Firefox. Okay, so it's open in our Firefox as a localhost. Okay, it takes time and it's also upon in your system also. Okay, and now we are trying to create our first program, hello world. Okay, so you can see a local host is reloaded. Okay, so now we have to create a new file. So simply click on new and Python 3. So it will be open. Take some time here. Okay, now we are trying to create our first program here. Okay, so the kernel is ready, kernel is starting and please be waiting, so you have to wait. Okay, so now we are trying to make our first program. So in Python, if you wanted to print something, so simply type print, and for double quotation you have to put your string. Okay, so let's say hello world. Okay, so simply click on here and shift enter. So here you can see the output of hello world. Okay, and you can also print something, let's say Python. Simply shift enter. So here you can see Python. So simply say, for you can put here in the single quotation also, let's say knowledge doctor. So it's my challenge. Okay, so here you can see the output of knowledge doctor. So it is a basic program of using Python, and all the programming languages like C, Java, it's so complex. If you wanted to create a program by using C, so you need to initialize some header file and main method, main function over here. Okay, so in Java you have to declare some classes, static void, something. Okay, in C# also, but Python is so comfortable, and you should use this in machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, whatever you can. Okay, and you also use this as ethical hacking. So for the end of the playlist, we are trying to make videos for data science and machine learning. So I switch here a Jupyter notebook here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and must share this video because we are trying to make videos for Python for the beginner to advanced series. Okay, thank you.